Hello and welcome to Country Exploration. Today, we are traveling to Northern Europe to discover the stunning country of Norway. In this video, we will share information about Norway's location, total area, capital city and key cities, administrative divisions, type of government and leadership, population statistics, languages spoken, the symbolism of the national flag, and the country's currency. Norway is located in Northern Europe, in the Scandinavian peninsula. Norway shares borders with Sweden to the east, Finland to the northeast, and Russia to the far northeast. It is bordered by the North Atlantic Ocean and the Norwegian Sea to the west. Norway has a total area size of 323,802 square kilometers. The capital city of Norway is Oslo. Other major cities include Bergen, Stavanger, Trondheim, Drammen, and Fredrikstad. Norway is divided into 11 counties. These are Viken Inlandet, Vestfold og Telemark, Agder, Rogaland, Vestland, Møre og Romsdal, Trondelag, Nordland, Troms og Finnmark, and Oslo. Norway is a constitutional monarchy. The king, currently King Harald V, is the ceremonial head of state. The head of government is the prime minister, currently Jonas Gahr Støre, who holds executive authority and governs the country. Norway population is estimated to be around 5.5 million people, which comprises of 50.4% male and 49.6% female. In terms of age, 17.8% of Norway population is 14 years and below, while 64.2% is between the ages of 15 to 64 years, and 18% are 65 years and above. In Norway, the official languages are Norwegian, Bokmål and Nynorsk, and Sami in certain regions. Other commonly spoken languages include English, German, Urdu, Polish, and Arabic. The flag of Norway consists of a red field with an indigo-blue Scandinavian cross outlined in white. Red, white, and blue are colors of freedom and democracy, and the cross reflects Norway's historical association with other Scandinavian countries. In Norway, the currency is a Norwegian krone, which includes 5 banknotes with values from 50, 100, 200, 500, and 1,000 Norwegian krone. It also has 4 coins, ranging from 1, 5, 10, and 20 Norwegian krone.